Hey, hi everyone. So today I'll be discussing about the availability and reliability. And before I start with the topic, let me start with my quick introduction. My name is Piyush and I do have total 10 years of experience in software industry, currently working as a senior software engineer in Microsoft. So without wasting more time, let's jump into the topic. So reliability and availability, these two terms are used to measure system performance in today's modern technology. And these two terms cannot be used interchangeably, but they both are interrelated. What is availability? So availability means how much your system is accessible or operational when user needs it. For example, if you want to make a payment through this website, and you want to access it, but the site is not operational or down. That means it is impacting its availability, right? The site is not available. These are some of the tiers very much popular in cloud services. For example, 2939 and 49. So if we say that our site or our service is 99% available, that means it will be down for 3.65 days per year. Or we say that my service is available for 99.9%. That means the service will be down for 8.76 hours per year, and so on and so forth. This is the example and availability tier of availability. Let me reiterate it once again that uh, when you say availability, that means how much and how long your service is available to be consumed for user when user needs it. This is all about availability. And when we talk about reliability, let me take the same example of this payment site, and let's assume this site or payment gateway is working fine, and you want to make a payment through ICICI Bank. So what happens is when you start making a payment, you get a failure response because ICICI banking system is not working fine. So what happens is in that case that although payment gateway is working fine, but underlying services are not operational. So this site or the payment gateway is not reliable right now. So let me reiterate it once again. So when a service is available, you get a success or failure. I mean, I'm taking the same example of this payment gateway. You're getting a success or failure response from the payment gateway, but when you get a failure due to some underlying service is down or underlying downstream service is down, that means you cannot make the payment, right? System is available, but system is not reliable in that case. So high availability doesn't give you the assurance of the high reliability. With the example, we can clearly understand that if your system is highly available, that doesn't mean your system is highly reliable. Although both of the matrices are interrelated, because if your system is not at all available, no matter backend services are working fine or not, uh, the system will not be reliable because it is down or you cannot access your system, right? But uh, both of the matrices are interrelated. If your service is reliable, your service is available, then you have to make sure that your service is also reliable. Now, just to conclude both, I'll give you a real life example so that you can understand this concept and relate it with day to day life. So, for example, you have a car and a car at your home, which is available 24/7. Available when it is available 24/7, that means that it is at your home uh, to be used 24/7. And what happens is whenever you take that car and go out, maximum time it breaks down in between or on the way. So although the car is available, but it is not reliable. So this is a very easy example to understand reliability versus availability. Hope you understand the concept and enjoyed watching this video. Thank you so much.